What if your home wasn't just well located but perfectly placed to let you breathe? Tucked away from the rush yet seamlessly connected, this is where elevated living meets effortless calm, an address designed not just for today but for the living you truly want to live. This is not just another project on a map. This is Sumadura Gardens by the Brook, Phase 1, Shamshabad, where the pace slows but life moves forward. Located in prime belt of Shamshabad, this project is a commuter's dream and a family's haven. Just 8 minutes from Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, close to ORR Exit 17, effortless connectivity to Gachibowli Financial District and High-Tech City. The upcoming Metro Rail Phase 2 will further boost accessibility. Top hospitals, educational institutes and entertainment zones are within reach, making daily life incredibly convenient whether you travel often or work in the city here. You're always well connected, yet peacefully tucked away from the urban chaos. Sumadura Infracon Private Limited, one of the South India's most trusted developers, brings you a landmark project spread across 9.32 acres comprising 8 elegant towers with 14 floors each, offers 908 spacious units in configurations of 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK. Possession expected by September 2025. Pricing 2 BHK 1285 square feet 89.95 lakh, 2.5 BHK 1420 to 1440 square feet, prices starting at 99.4 lakh. 3 BHK 1625 to 1680 square feet, prices going up to 1.18 CR. With premium finishes, smart layouts and a peaceful riverside location, every home here offers both comfort and long-term value. Designed with modern families in mind, the amenities at Sumadura Gardens are nothing short of world-class. Vastu compliant, fully equipped gym and indoor games, squash and badminton court, yoga and meditation zones, kids play area, 24/7 security with CCTV surveillance. This is where every day feels like a retreat. Your mornings begin with nature and your evenings end in absolute peace. Sumadura Infracon has delivered over 11 million square feet of residential space with a legacy built on quality, trust and on-time delivery. Their portfolio spans Hyderabad and Bangalore with iconic projects like Sumadura Horizon, Sumadura Folium and Sumadura Eden Garden winning the hearts of thousands. Shamshabad is seeing rapid appreciation thanks to its strategic proximity to the airport, Pharma City and upcoming IT development. With 2x value potential in the next 4 to 5 years, this project isn't just a home, it's a future-proof investment. Flexible payment plans available with bank tie-ups for easy home loans. Sumadura Gardens by the Brook is more than a home. It's a statement of refined living, smart investing and peaceful coexistence with nature. Don't just settle for square feet, invest in a lifestyle. Book your site visit now on housing.com and take the first step toward your riverside dream.